أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا وسيئات أعمالنا. من يهده الله فهو المهتدي ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. السلام عليكم أغنى مسلمين. إن شاء الله karatu lo kupachiwa pa Qur'an ji lo acha continue bunu dinu choche. Last week ngala lo jo ayatil huruf ko structure the appearance go buleta Arabic abo joegwa ikoni ni wala play bom wedi o tola hepa wedi o amome wedi. So ngala alo biwa jame inshallah, hoping that alachiku every learner achiku identify gulle tadune abadune nogi yolipu pochiokpa inshallah la plane ko la hepa ne ko amome. So ala who identify gulle tanenche ni kaka ne gilamen. So karatu lo yenche lebo just building na loga ya li quick pay go kat na ya jelu last week ma no kama lebo assignment lo ko homework alogi identify go word gila ni kebene o later ni kipu pochokpa ni kakane. So I don't know katune kajalo benene kama وكما إجعال الدائرة أشر إلى حروف الآتية في الكلمة. وكما أو cycle دائرة نوكا كما cycle أو cycle letter that appear in the word. Letter cycle any letter, each letter that appear in these words. So example, akolo unu ni kakane mabene ma wane. These are the letters. So we may have alif lahuya benama. So you see, if you can observe, so alif appear la play gupochokpa ebene ruoma alomaba. So that is example. Aga play lo just jump jalo later alif cycle la ka identify chaya lo kama hii alif o ala play ga maana go gupochokpa ni onama ndi na lacha mo pochokpa ni one alif wala hepa unola. So it was no cycle to show you that alif wa hepa okpadola. So ndena logacha mama mewunu wacha wa lakolo amome ipu pochi okpadola. So haka namalo inde ubao nyoma. So this is bar ma. So identify bar lo line yone yoma ganyolo. So bar yebenya. So bar yomani pochi odani later u bar wala. Yeah. So I'll identify u bar many. So this is bar at the middle. Bar at the middle. Paola. Bar at the beginning of the letter. So bar at the end of the letter. So ta gayoma. Identify ta in this line. So this is ta at the middle, ta at the beginning, ta at the end. So alomaba. So haka nama sa ma. So identify sa in this line yone. So this is sa at the beginning, this is sa at the middle, so and this is sa at the end. So what of Jim? This is Jim at the beginning, so this is Jim at the end of the words, so and this is Jim at the beginning. So hakana ha. So this is ha at the beginning of the letter, this is ha at the middle of the letter, so and this is ha at the last or end of the letter. So what of ha? So ha mama. So this is ha at the beginning of the letter, so ha at the end of the letter, and this is ha at the middle of the letter. So with this, for the rest of word we can be able to identify each letter in Kebenene. So I'll try go page your honey on it. Take your honey on it. So I'll identify good letter Niwaja from Alif to Ya. So Ya, mama. So this is Ya at the beginning. So it's not even appear well. So this is a mistake of writing. This is not supposed to appear like this. So I will not chico appear ne. Chico appear ma. Allo just go board allo lota. So I'm gonna at the beginning not chico appear now. So what chico appear man. So it's the mistake of writing. It's a written mistake. So bano then let's see. Yeah, I'm coming. So balana ochikolene, that is lem ochikolema. Yeah, the ha lochiku ko wama gila. So the next one anu chiko fa chiko lama. So yeah, awa ngafle. So ha yo then fa. So yeah, I wanna chiko appear loma. So which means honey abo long. Oh, mistake wala. Yeah, Now, so yeah, watch a pay the middle ama. Yo, sorry. It is not my yeah, it's the part. So yeah, no chiko bi wala mo menguno nebene. Understand ba? No chiko wala mo menguno. For example, utagun no chiko gol alors hutoma just ha wachiko wama, then fa wachiko wama, then ya wachiko wama. Understand ba? So that ya ngamo me go apiema. Understand me ba? So ya gumidu wachiko apiema, then ya dino wala fle kwa go apiema. So instead of to begin with ha fa ya, so that ya go appear momelo and mistake ta la fle. So ya o agbo a fle mano. So normally ya ga mome anu go edi ama o appear mama o agbo la fle mano. Nino agbo la fle about appearance uno chiko lema. So this is how I wanna lay benoni. So inshallah. Now, so with this we can be able to identify each letter wedding do any kebene kakane. So now haka nama kajalo kakama dawir kajalo kakama dawir huruf al-atiya fil kalimat. Now cycle letter ni kebene lipu kalima ni wajalo or word ni wajalo kebene. So ordina lo observe galo mo aboni two word kebene kakane. So from the beginning, that is why the book say a step. Title book galo ni anu khutwat ko. So alamo ba khutwat, sorry, that is I'm coming. Yeah, خطوات إلى قراءة القرآن. خطوات إلى قراءة القرآن. That is title of Bagalola. That is step by step to the recitation of glorious Qur'an. So danolo chiko observe beneno kakama abone tuk pochokpa gebene kakani. Again more for the start. So alolo separate so that to show you that gebene can join. Bene tie bene lo who join gila. Bene tie bene lo who join gila. So bene tie bene lo who join. Bene tie bene lo who join. Bene tie bene lo who join gila. For a start, that is for the beginning. Then ya nalotoma lola. So ama as time goes on, nalokago step for her money. So I'll show you kama. So those letters, instead of separating them, I know how I deal no. Ama for the purpose of learning. I knew my own mala. So I wanna chiko le neoma kakama. So bene alos I'm coming. Yeah, alos sa. No ba. So alo achalo sa le bene. Achalo sa la hepe bene. Understand? So I wanna chiko le gym. so alo jim bene alo jim afle bene alo chalo jim akula mo me bene so kha alo kha le bene alo kha le bene wa kha ya wa so for this inshallah you can be able to identify later ni we bene kakao ni. So this is the another step. Alo mu step go guri tingu later word. So hane sentence sentence uta wamina dama okpa uta logbo either from later to the word to sentence. So sentence ya combination go two and above words. Mu word pagobu anu few sentence ma. So and then alo more next step alo go ni alo more kakama two or more words have been combined in a single line. So alo more kakama alo mpu sentence kakani. Can we be able to identify kama alo mu sentence kakani sentence which يبقى حروف الآتية ثم دور في الجمل أو more check كسبو sentence اتنيوني sentence يعني كما جمل sentences ko أو check. Can we be able to identify all these letters ni kebene kakani letter ni kebene kakani. So can we be able to identify them inside the sentences ni kebene kakani. So from the sentence ni kebene alo bomo po so alo pa yagi po. For example, the first word alo pa yewono. So the second word agimo amu po ya no po ya no. So let me just point it. So amu po no point wala. So the third word amu po point amu po. Then the fourth word no po. Then the fifth word alif lam mim po. So po yola. So for this then the next letter is za ko. The first letter here, first word alamo zo ko zo. Second letter zo ogbamu mafle. Then third letter zo yabano. Fourth letter la zo yabano. Then fifth zo ma. Sixth no zo. There's no zo. Then seventh letter zo yanola. Understand? Nachi kama later words. 7 words. Word oma hapa zo yala. So the next one anu ain. Amo ain hoba. This is ain. So ain nyebe nyali pugo good letter ni kebe ni kakao. So first letter there is nothing like ain. So the second letter amo ain nyuma. Alama homema. This is ain. Third letter an no ain. So alif nun no ain. Third letter alif lam ain. Alama this is ain in the middle. So then middle sorry, word ma ha ho yanfa. So ayin o ala mo me gunola. So ma ayin etali pugo sentences nione. So the next thing ano ghain. So this is ghain yama. So ama bema. So first letter ghain wala he paunola. Ama ba. So ghain wala he paunola. Nam. Then the second letter Allah, no. Third letter no ghain. So fourth letter ghain wala. Understand ba? So then the fifth no ghain. Fifth, sixth wa ghathana. So ghain wala. Min no ghain. Kul kaf lam no. So sa. So ain wala hepa wala. So that is how to identify letter ngong sentence ni kebene kakane. So that is the same procedure na lachiko gibi ya webene inshallah. So hoping that now reach ebene, so we can identify a letter anywhere they are. Inshallah for this algacha kwaji lebene de inshallah. Laya kwaji bene inshallah. Hivi iko ni yayane ko mema inshallah ni jiyo gwanuma. For this nina laka practice inshallah we are near la kusame inshallah choche kolo karatu talokwe. So as we start from the beginning, just let's keep patient. So for this alwa ko jebene subhanakallahumma bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum.